Hello, and welcome to Ultimate Nature Adventures with Crocodile Crundy. Written by Crocodile Crundy and produced by me, Crocodile Crundy. Today on Ultimate Nature Adventures with Crocodile Crundy. Written by Crocodile Crundy and produced by me, Crocodile Crundy. Today we are searching, I already said that, but it doesn't matter. We are searching for Campbellsville's Golden Sun. Shut up! This is a major production. Today we are searching for Campbellsville's Golden Sun. Bigfoot. We will be searching for him in the jungles of Kentucky Fried Chicken. Our first step to finding Campbellsville's Golden Sun, Bigfoot, is to prove that he actually exists so that none of these naysayers can say, hey, you made this up. And the way we're gonna do that is stop at Taylor County Public Library. Let's get her done. Hello, I am looking for any books about science.
Okay, let me see what I can find. Okay, we probably have some in our nonfiction over here. Do you want to look at those ones?
Sure.
Okay, let's see.
Come on, cameraman.
Right over here. And actually, we'll be around the corner. Right at the bottom. Here's chemistry, Einstein, cosmos.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
This one says science of everything. That'll probably have what we're looking for. Science. Okay, come on. Let's go. It appears I can't read the American language. We'll probably have to find something with pictures. It seems I can't read the American language, so do you have any picture books that might work?
They're probably going to be back there. If you go to that desk, you can talk to her.
Okay.
And she'll show you where they're at.
That seems like a good idea. Hello.
How's it going?
Good, how about you?
I'm good.
Good. I was wondering if you had any picture books about science, because I don't have the ability to read. And pictures make it easier on me.
Of course. All right, let me show you where our science books are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Come on over to our science section. Science, you got all kinds of options. What do you like in
Thanks very much.
science?
Well, I'm trying to prove that Bigfoot exists.
Bigfoot.
So,
All right. Actually, that's probably not going to be in this section. We do have Bigfoot books, though. Do you want that one?
yes,
Exists.
please.
He exists. Do you believe?
Yes,
Do you believe in him?
I believe in Bigfoot.
All right, you have to really believe. You
I
have to
really
prove his existence. All right, let's
Exactly.
find where he's at. In here somewhere.
Yes, isn't that amazing?
Bigfoot! Looking for Bigfoot. Oh, actually. Bigfoot. Alright. Beer for what? Actually, I don't think it's back together. Let me see if it's over together. Here. Right there. He was looking for you. He exists. He really exists.
Thank you very much.
You should enjoy Bigfoot. Tell me if you find him. Bring him back.
Most definitely. Now I can do some real research. Some people say that Bigfoot's not real. But he is. And I have proof. In the 1950s, a group of Italian scientists found a jawbone and a tooth. When they took that thing back to the lab, guess what it was? I forgot, you can't guess. That's not how TV works. But, I'll tell you, it was a Gigantopithecus tooth. You know what that is? That's the scientific name for a Yeti. Yeti is pretty much Chinese Bigfoot, okay? Now, that doesn't help us a whole lot, but it does prove that, yeah, Bigfoot exists. The only real problem is Yetis and Gigantopithecus live in Asia. We are not in Asia. How did Bigfoot get here? Well, obviously, when the Native Americans crossed Beringia from Asia into North America, Bigfoot said, let me get some of that, and followed them in. And then they just bred and stayed. Okay, now, I can't go on, I almost said, now it's time to go on the hunt. But I can't do that all by myself. And the cameraman can't do anything. He takes both hands to hold the camera. I've got to find some small children that can help me out. I know where to go.
March 16th.
The only place I know where we can get multiple children every day is at Campbellsville High School. Let's go get some. What?
So why are you dressed like a child?
Because if I look like a student, they'll let me into the school building.
No,
obviously.
Okay. But you're 41.
That doesn't matter. I'm just. Watch your step, buddy.
Hello class, I am your most glorious teacher, Z-Mama. Today I will instruct you on how to swallow a whole apple core. Wait, who is that handsome yellow man in the corner?
I am Bigfoot and I must feed on this child.
Didn't even like that kid anyway.
So what are we doing here again?
We're going to go into the library and hopefully there'll be some students learning in the class. I'm going to take one of them. They're going to come help me find Bigfoot in the woods. Essentially, it's like kidnapping, but less.
Okay. Sounds like a solid plan.
Assistant, I did not give you the cue to talk. So basically, you just.
What the heck?
Gosh darn it.
Welcome to the Grundy Lair. In this room is where I keep all of my adventure gear.
Isn't this just your uncle's basement?
Shut up! Don't speak! This is not my uncle's basement, this is the Grundy lair. This is where I spend my time preparing to go into the wilderness for ungodly amounts of time. Sometimes without food, sometimes without water. I've had many adventures start in this very room. Shut up! Stupid kid. Where was I? I was somewhere.
No food, no water.
No food, no, exactly.
Oh,
I've had many adventures start here. I've had no food, and you know what I did? I sat in here and I prepared. I thought I might not have water for 69 days. I might have to fight off the law enforcement. I mean, wild animals from in this very room. This is a very emotional place. Let's go prepare.
Crocodile.
What?
Who's that?
What do you mean, who is this? This is David. We just kidnapped him. I mean, we borrowed him.
That's not David. He has different color eyes.
No, I would know. I kidnapped this boy. This is David. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Come on. We don't have all day. That's right. Yeah. Time, David. At some point we might run out of food and water. Sorry. Yes. The point is, right now, if you see, oh crap, killed nature. If you see anything that looks like a footprint or hair, we need to stop and examine it because it might be evidence of Bigfoot. You know what I mean? That might be what's gonna happen right now. Like to speak of the devil. Look, come on, look at this, See what this is? Look, it's bigger than my hand is. You know what that means?
What does it mean?
It could be a Bigfoot print. I think that was dog poop. Let's keep going. Densely forested.
There's Bigfoot!
Is that? Whoa! Get some cover! Give me that. Take this. Take this strong rifle and shoot him in the heart. You missed! You missed! He was 2 feet away from you and you missed! My life's work! Come on. We can't give up after one screw up. Come on, we trek on. We're not going to let you escape like that. Otherwise he'll run away again. Come on, David. I have an idea. Instead of having you shoot him, put this on. I'm the cameraman now. Bigfoot noises. Bigfoot noises. Bigfoot noises. Take these.
Are you sure this is gonna work?
Go right over there and just say, "Sexy Bigfoot mating call." That'll really get him. I think we've got this. Sexy Bigfoot mating call. Bigfoot noises. Bigfoot noises. I'm hiding behind a tree. Bigfoot's right. He's gonna do it. Punch him in the face! Yeah! No! Retreat! Retreat! Bigfoot is violent! Ah! Bigfoot just took my cameraman out. I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. No! No! He's...
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time? And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time?
Mother Nature has reclaimed her son. I tell you to rest in peace, but I hate your guts. I'll have to do this myself. We couldn't shoot him. We couldn't fight him. How are we going to get him out of that forest? We're going to have to smoke him out.
But Crocodile, you don't have a lighter.
I don't need a lighter. Hey, it's your man, Crocodile Grundy, and I'm here, yeah, to diss the forest. Alright, Forest, square up. Let's see what you got. Cause all I got for you is disgust cause of all that musk on the trees. It's nasty. Yeah, you can't even touch my skills cause you rap like my grandma pays her freaking bills. You're about to be cut down for a parking lot and a condominium. Not even Smokey the Bear can save you now. You get wrecked by a used cigarette. When I'm done with you, you'll cry like you're on the Bachelorette. Yeah, alright. I'm getting some more. Let's keep this going. Y'all ready for this? You look like you have a hernia, but that's probably because you actually have a hernia. Yeah.
Crocodile, stop, you're gonna burn the whole town down.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I've burned down enough of wildlife for today. There's a lot of fire everywhere. Let's give it a minute and see if Bigfoot's smoked out. Alright? Most of the flames have died down a little bit, and now we're gonna wander around in the ashes and see if we can find any like singed Bigfoot bodies or anything, because any evidence is evidence.
It's Bigfoot again!
Bigfoot! Come back here, you crack! You won't get away from doesn't matter. I am Crocodile 5!
The power!
I have defeated my demons. I am the king of the forest. Submit. Good enough. I gotta buy some new pants now. Alright, that disaster's over. Let's go. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.